For generations, soul food has brought families together. Rich flavors, deep roots, big joy around the table. But a lot of those dishes can be tough on the heart. Soul Food Health is here to change that without losing the soul in soul food. When you first open Soul Food Health, your AI dietitian sits down with you for a quick, friendly check-in. She asks about your health goals, the foods you crave, and any dietary needs you care about.
Welcome back to Soul Food Health. I'm so glad to see you again. Let's go through the questions from last time. Can you tell me about your dietary goals? Last time you said lose weight, gain muscle. Okay, so your dietary goals are still to lose weight. All right, so your dietary restriction is... Okay, so the medical issues that affect your diet are still high blood pressure? Okay, so you're still so-so at cooking. Would you like me to use specialties from restaurants in top soul food cities? Okay, great.
She asks about your health goals, the foods you crave, and any dietary needs you care about. From there, Gemini creates a personalized soul food playbook just for you. That playbook turns into heart-smarter soul food recipes designed around your goals. Each dish comes with nutritional guidance and simple substitution tips, so you can keep the comfort and dial up the care. You also get kitchen playlists powered by Gemini and YouTube music to set the vibe while you cook.
I woke up feeling golden, sunlight on my skin.
The app fills in exact ingredient quantities, lets you edit anything you want, and you can download the list as a PDF to take with you. You can even upload a photo of your fridge. Gemini scans what you already have and automatically updates your shopping list, removing items you don't need to buy again. It's like having a smart pantry check built right into your flow. Soul Food Health doesn't stop at the plate. For each meal, the app also suggests drink pairings that match your flavors and your health goals, focusing on refreshing non-alcoholic options. It turns dinner into a full experience, not just a single recipe on a screen. Here's a closer look inside the Soul Food Health Recipe Hub. You can scroll through your personalized dishes, tap into any recipe for more detail, and use filters to focus on goals like low sodium, blood sugar support, or lighter comfort food. It feels like a soul food cookbook that actually knows you. Soul Food Health isn't just about eating better, it's about keeping the stories, flavors, and feelings of soul food alive while taking care of the people who love it. You bring your history. Gemini and 11 Labs bring the help. Together, you're building a heart-healthier tradition, one plate at a time.